Who's that?
Oh hey, I'm Jake. Ethan wanted me to come down and fill in for him because he's finishing his script.
I sure am glad my life matters less than a script.
Alex, you're already down here?
Yeah, he was in the bathroom the whole time.
This is gonna sound crazy, but there's a giant chicken chasing us, so we've gotta go. Guys, it won't open.
Go.
Fixed it.
You always were so smart.
That was easy.
Glad we took care of that chicken.
Yeah.
It's getting worried.
I'm not chicken. Spill your guts, feather boy. Why are you terrorizing our school?
James, come on. Class is over. Alex was just in the bathroom the whole time.
The janitor is out to get me, I swear.